Look like a weirdo. I'm not taking a picture, I'm taking a video.
Well, you could have told me that.
Hey guys, it's Josh. Today we're gonna go hiking on Ramsey Cascades.
This is Sally.
That's Sally.
Say hi, Sally.
We rode with her in her Jeep up here, and now we're gonna go hike. I'm got this huge backpack and got a chest mount, so I'm gonna try it out. All right, we're starting the trail. So this is our first time doing a hike this long. This hike is 8 miles total. It's 4 one way and 4 back. We're pretty close to Gatlinburg, Tennessee. I don't know if this is considered Cosby, Tennessee or what, but so yeah, we're gonna bring you guys along with us, and hopefully we'll see some pretty cool stuff. I hope we don't run into no bears or anything. Huh, that's pretty cool. I want to look at that. Might be hard to see, but that's a pretty big tree right there. We're supposed to be seeing some of the biggest trees in the park on this trail. So whenever we get to them, I'll make sure and show you guys.
Of course you have to. When you said there's a bear, I wanted to run the other way.
So the guys in front of us just saw a bear. Bears or anything. We tried to get up there to where we could see it, but by the time we got up there, it had already went through the woods. Not even a mile in on the trail yet, and we've already seen a bear, so it's hard telling what we might see out here. What is everybody taking a picture of? That tree? That is pretty cool. Some kind of bug on the trail. Yeah. You get a video of just you standing next to it first. A big old tree. We made it up to the big sister trees. Some of the biggest trees in the park. These things are huge. There's a regular sized tree, and then there's this tree. That's right next to these two big ones too. Definitely one of the biggest trees I've ever saw. We're gonna keep on going now. Get on up to the Cascades. That definitely makes the trip worth it right there, just them big trees. It's crazy that there's so many big trees out here. It's like it's just normal. I mean, they're just everywhere. There's another one right here. While we wait on them to catch up, I'm just gonna be quiet for a minute and let y'all listen to how peaceful it is out here. You can hear the birds and everything. Seems like we've been going nothing but up the whole time we've been on this trail. My legs are a little bit sore, but I'm doing all right now. It should be easier coming down anyways. Do any of you all use trekking poles when you go hiking? If you do, let me know in the comments how you like them. If you like to use trekking poles when you hike, or if you just like to go without them. I've been curious to see why people use them and, you know, what the benefits are. Let me know in the comments. We're getting close. We can see the waterfall from here. Alrighty guys, we're leaving the waterfall now. That's one of the biggest waterfalls I've ever saw. It's pretty cool up here. Long hike though to get up here, to me anyways. Never done a hike this long before. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and we'll see you at the bottom.
If I could take you up in boom, 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 tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.